In this video, I'm gonna explain how to trade double top. The price open with this PT red candle, and from here the price went all the way up. Right here, the price made the all-time high. This is the first resistance level. The price go down, and from here the price hit the resistance for the second time. This is a clear double top. With this bearish engulfing, it is entered in put stop loss above the resistance level. The exit, it is with 4 red candle, but in this case the price never made 4 red candle. In this particular trade, the best way to take profit is when you get your profit, whether it is 40%, 80%, or 100%, take it. This way you're going to take advantage, because right here the price made a rebound and went up. For that reason, once you got it in this trade input, you must take profit with 40%, like I said, 80%, because in the trading, if you don't take profit, you're gonna give your profit again to the market. In this way, you never gonna increase your trading account. And this is the best way to trade double top. When the price made the first high, go down, hit, when the price hit again this level, enter and put stop loss above very tight, because if the price goes up, we must accept a small loss, because this is part of the game.